Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is about an update to Google My Business, and specifically the More Hours option, which is now available to most businesses. So if you go into Google My Business, and if you don't know, I'll put a link in the description below, and then click here on the Info tab. Once you do, scroll down, you'll come down to where it says More Hours, and if you click on that, it will load these options, right? So if you want to add options for any of these, if they can happen to apply to your business, then that's the right way to go. Now, just a word of warning, you don't want to be deceitful. If you don't have these things, then don't fill them out just for the sake of trying to rank higher, but be accurate. All right, so let's take a look at how these are done. Let's say that you offer something as simple as senior hours. So if we click on that, we see that we can turn these on, and any special hours which will be different from your regular hours. So let's say Monday through Friday we're open for seniors, and we open, let's say, something realistic like 8 a.m. and we go ahead and close at something realistic like 5 p.m. Okay, so if we do that same type of thing, and I'll do that and then come right back. Okay, so we've gone ahead and filled these out Monday through Friday, and you might want to know what this add hours is for on the right. If you click on that, it actually allows you to have a split hours for the same day. So we'll click on that just to show you. All right, so here we are. We say we're open 8 to 5. Let's say we're closed from 6 o'clock. So then we go ahead, come down here to 6 p.m., right, because there's another block of time. And we'll say we're open from 6 till 9 p.m. Okay, then we go ahead and say continue. Right, so Monday through Friday we're open 8 to 5, but on Friday we have a split set of hours, 8 to 5, then 6 to 9. Okay, and that's for our senior hours. Now you could do the same thing for these other ones, but once you're done, you go ahead and click apply. All right, there you go, and that's how it is shown. All right, I hope this is helpful in keeping your Google My Business listing up to date with the latest advantages from Google. Thanks, and I hope this helps.